Okay, this is my second video. Right now we see the rings are gone, which is causing no compression at all, and pretty much caused the compressor to run hot in the block. Both rings, both pistons have no rings. This is a good piston, pretty much, but it still got hot in the block. And we've taken it all apart here, and as you can see, piston's been removed, and that's what pretty much killed this compressor. Blown head gasket and no rings. I can probably save this compressor, just buy 2 more new pistons and change the oil and put new valve plates and head gaskets on it. That's basically is all wrong with it. Also, you can see the oil strainer has gotten clogged from the rings being ground up in the oil. So that's it. 6-cylinder autopsy. Thanks.